In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Upwork. By the end, your profile will display the correct country, address, and time zone, which helps clients see your local time and ensures your account details are accurate. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and open the official Upwork website from the results. If you aren't already signed in, sign into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on Upwork, look at the top right corner of the page and click your profile image or avatar. From the menu that appears, choose your profile to open your freelancer profile. Next, find and click Profile Settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage your account details. On the left-hand side, select Contact Info. This is where Upwork keeps your personal and location information. Scroll down until you reach the Location section. Here, you'll be able to update everything related to your country, address, and time zone. Click the small edit icon, usually a pencil, to enable editing for this section. Begin by choosing the correct time zone. Pick the option that matches where you currently live and work, so clients see availability that aligns with your local hours. This also ensures interviews and calendar invites reflect the right time. Next, select your country from the drop-down list. Make sure you choose your actual country of residence. Upwork expects this information to be truthful and accurate, and it may be used for account verification and tax-related forms. Enter your street address, city, and state or province as applicable. Add your zip or postal code and your phone number. Use the correct formatting for your country, including the country code if requested. It's best to enter the address exactly as it appears on official documents and avoid abbreviations that might cause confusion. If your area uses special characters in addresses or postal codes, copy them precisely to prevent validation errors. Double-check everything for typos before saving. When you're happy with your updates, click Update to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message at the top of the page, indicating that your profile has been updated. If you don't see it right away, wait a moment and refresh the page to confirm the new details are in place. That's it. You've updated your location on Upwork. Keeping this section current helps with trust, search relevance, and smooth communication with clients. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again if you move or your details change in the future.